In the capital, Tashkent, China and Uzbekistan are working together on a joint project to conserve and also study the diversity of allium.
This sea of flowers is more than just a feast for the eyes. Covering half a hectare, the global allium garden in Tashkent, Uzbekistan, conserves over 100 species of allium plants.
For reproduction, we dig out the bulbs as we want to get seedlings. Carefully dig it out in this way, wrap it like this, and keep it in this condition and take it to the lab.
Well, inside this garden, we found some allium species that were actually adopted from China. Well, local botanists told us that these species, they are now growing a little bit taller in this Central Asian country because of a different climate. And actually, such kind of collaboration and exchanges have been going on for years between Chinese and Uzbek scientists. It is a shared commitment to preserving the wonders of nature, carried out jointly by the Kunming Institute of Botany, the Chinese Academy of Sciences, and the Institute of Botany at the Academy of Sciences of Uzbekistan.
For the rare, endemic, endangered species, of course, we got good results with our scientists, and so we published in a very prestigious journal. This year, I think, discovered 2 new species of allium. Is most important.
Dr. Yusupov says his research team is also growing as cooperation deepens, and young researchers now have better facilities and more chances to work closely with their Chinese counterparts. They are expected to grow into the leading specialists in the field to support biodiversity conservation in their homeland.
It's the best chance to find the differences between the plant, which is the growing here and the growing in China.
This lab is first step to gain knowledge for PhD, and after this we want to go to China and gain another, especially molecular biology knowledge.
Beyond allium, collection and protection of other plants of high ornamental and medicinal value are also underway. Soon, more tulip, iris, and foxtail lily, or Iramuris, will be found in the garden.
During my visit to the botanical garden in Kunming, I studied the arrangement of plants in accordance with their morphological characteristics, how to properly order the plates with an inscription about each plant. In the Lijiang Botanical Garden, I saw separate plant nurseries that are organized at different altitudes. Now we are planning to create in our botanical gardens similar nurseries for plants and thus propagate and conserve endangered plant species.
Common allium plants such as onions and garlic have long been seen as a symbol of exchange between China and Central Asia. Through the millennia, they are still blossoming vibrantly in the region, with roots in friendship, branches in science, and leaves of hope for a greener future. Feng Yilei, CGTN, Tashkent in Uzbekistan.